Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude trim. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine as well as an 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission. Also comes equipped with Jeep UConnect navigation, leather and suede heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel, blackout package, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all black finish with storage and a cup holders on the bottom. It's going to come equipped with the Alpine audio system. It's going to be on the bottom of the door, of course. We're going to have this wood finish here on the door, as well as the power lock, power mirrors, and power windows as well. And here, of course, we're going to have our leather and suede heated seats as well. It's going to come equipped with the driver adjustable lumbar as well. Of course, on the left side here, we're going to have our lighting control. And onto the steering wheel, we're going to have our media and odometer control, as well as our voice recognition. And on the right side is our cruise control, of course. And just behind, we're going to have the seek, track, and volume. Of course, we're going to have the digital speedometer here. Of course, we can track our speed, oil pressure, as well as our fuel economy, and so much more. Of course, moving on to the center console here, we're going to have our climate as well as also eco and sport mode as well. And onto the infotainment system, it's all touchscreen as well. We're going to control our climate as well as our heated seats as well, and the heated wheel. Of course, we have our apps as well as App Manager, Backup Camera, Projection Manager, as well as SOS and Off-Road, as well as your navigation just right here. Of course, on the bottom, just hit this little button here. You're going to have 2 USB ports, an aux port, and a 12-volt DC port as well. You have the cup holder and a little key holder as well. I'm going to have the double functioning center console here as well, with the 12-volt DC port and extra storage just in there as well. It's going to have that same passenger finish with the leather and the suede heated as well. Of course, you're going to have the Alpine speakers just on the side of the door, as you're going to have that black wood finish as well. And of course, we're going to have the SOS and as well as our garage door opener and the sunglass case holder. We're going to have these blacked out 20-inch alloy wheels here, as well as the blacked out Grand Cherokee WK badging and the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles. Of course, it's also going to have the sun visor right there as well, and the luggage rack up there. Of course, we're going to have more with the blackout trim, as well as the trailer hitch down here, and just the single exhaust. Just got to find the button. There it is. Of course, moving on to the rear, we're going to have quite a spacious rear, as it's just no third row seating here. Of course, we're going to have storage on the sides as well. And if we lift right here, we're going to have the extra wheel well storage and as well. So you can just pull this out for that extra dividing space. Very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that Alpine speaker system on the bottom there with the cup holder there as well. It's getting that same finish, but only with the power windows. So you get in, it's quite spacious. You're going to have storage just behind the passenger and driver's seat as well. You're going to have ventilation and as well as an AC wall charger right in the back. And as well right in the middle, you're going to have the classic cup holder and armrest here as well. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK Altitude trim. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine as well as an 8-speed torque flight automatic transmission, as well as the blackout package, trailer tow, as well as Jeep UConnect navigation, heated suede leather finished seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.